Fascism means single party dictatorship. Fascism wants to expand and win other countries. Fascism did not allow the other parties. Fascism were against both communism and liberalism. Fascism were against also socialism. Fascists want to build unity in their nations. Fascism common features are worshipping of the state, devotion strong leader, extreme nationalism, and militarism. Fascism used political violence, war to achieve the national revival, expand their territory by weaker nations. Fascism ideology followed Hoover insult in the Versailles Treaty. First, Benito Mussolini in Italy in 1922, he became a power. Hitler came power in Germany in 1933. General Franco came power in Spain in 1939. Japan, China, Korea also developed by the using of fascist ideology. Hitler, Nazism in Germany. Hitler was a powerful speaker. He wrote one book. The book name is Mein Kampf. Hitler party is Nazi party. The party symbol is swastika. Hitler promised to build a strong nation. Hitler want to take revenge, injustice of Versailles Treaty. Hitler promised employment for youth. Hitler promised to remove all foreign countries in Germany. Hitler started a new style of politics, rallies and public meetings. Hitler mobilized his supporters to establish the racial supremacy of Germany over the world. Hitler also targeted the Jews. Nazi party gave some hopes of a better future. Nazi party had less than 2.6% votes in 1928 elections. Reichstag, the lower house of Germany parliament. But in 1932, the Nazi party had become the largest party in Germany with 37% votes. Hitler came to power. Enabling Act. On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. Enabling Act, Hitler all powers to sideline parliament and ruled by his order. Regular police in green uniform. Security forces were created by Hitler. Gestapo. Gestapo means secret police in Germany. These forces have many powers, so these protection squads build horror and fear in Germany. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hjalmar Schacht. Hjalmar Schacht aimed full production and full employment through the state-funded work creation program. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా వాళ్ళు సూపర్ హైవేస్ పీపుల్స్ కార్ వర్క్స్ వ్యాగన్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు. హిట్లర్ ఫాలోడ్ అగ్రెసివ్ ఫారెన్ పాలసీ అండ్ టు రికవర్ ద టెరిటరీస్. ఇన్ 1939 హిట్లర్ అటాక్డ్ ద పోలాండ్. అండర్ ద షాడో ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ వరల్డ్ వార్, జర్మనీ కిల్డ్ మెనీ పీపుల్స్. 10 lakhs Jews, 2 lakhs Jews, 10 lakhs Polish civilians, and 17,000 Germans. They killed thousands of people in gas chambers. Auschwitz, the killing center. ఆష్విట్జ్ మీన్స్ ద కిల్లింగ్ సెంటర్ ఇన్ జర్మనీ. ఈ కిల్లింగ్ సెంటర్లో చాలామందిని ఒకేసారి చంపేస్తారు అనమాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.